What's the meaning of anywhere? Anywhere. 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 Anywhere.
Anywhere refers to a location or place that is not specific or limited. It describes a broad and general space that encompasses various possibilities. It implies that there are no restrictions, limitations, or boundaries on where something can be placed, found, or done. This term also suggests a sense of freedom and flexibility to choose from a wide range of options. Overall, anywhere represents a non-restrictive and inclusive space where anything is possible.